And that did become a point of conversation at Cannes as well. And I mean, I was really, really pleasantly surprised that the media picked up such positivity
Yes.
from you. I mean, you know, the Indian press covered in such positive ways, and I was like, yeah, this is good.
So and this is what I feel worked, not that it was planned. There was no agenda.
Huh.
खामोशी से हम लोग गए, खामोशी से हुआ, वो धमाका खुद ही बन गया, लोगों ने बनाया, but it was because the narrative was so simple. You know, we wanted the brand that people are like, should we be a part of this brand? Should we not? Is it
Yeah.
boycotted? Is it not? There's so much of that conversation also.
Would that have been a problem
This film
for
is
you?
boycotted, that film is boycotted. Why is it यहाँ पे ban है तो वहाँ पे उनको क्यों वाह मिल रही? You know, you get all this negativity bila wajah from other, but this had, it's like, oh, you're going to represent Pakistan, how, what could you possibly say negatively about this?
Yeah.
Okay, sleeveless pen, yeah, this is not our culture.
Mm.
We'll get over those comments, but otherwise, you know, you're overseeing the other details that are very Pakistani. Just because sleeveless pen, yeah, you know,
it's okay. We can deal with that.
Yeah.
But more or less positive feedback.
So I guess even all media, whether it was cross-border here, I think they just were like, oh my God, a Pakistani on the red carpet for not a film or a brand, what is she there for?
Yeah.
And then that sparked the conversation, and they all just realized it's pure Pakistani representation. And Hussain Rehar made sure it was quite a representation.
Absolutely. You both looked so good together. So I think that moment when he was in a pink sherwani and you're in the green sari, it was like, oh my God.
And that cut of his sherwani, itni kamar mein, he's like, you know, he's like, I'm paying homage to that very typical Hyderabadi, Nawabi cut. And it was, I wish we had more details on the embroidery. Haath ka kaam, the shading, the dhage ka kaam, silk threads say those flowers were embroidered on his thing. Forget my green Mukesh ka sari, which is a whole other thing.
Beauty.
Made by the women in Bahawalpur.
Yeah.
My white joda and the green one, it was, all embroidered by women in Bahawalpur. And then Hussain was also very passionate about Pakistan. I asked him, I said, where's your inspiration come from? Because you're really good. He said, I'm just so damn proud and happy to be Pakistani. It all comes from Pakistan. Yeah. All my designs are 100% Pakistani. Inspired by sherwanis or saris or kotis or whatever it is. He's the shalwar or the tunic. It's very, the topis. So I was like, he started when he was 23.
Yeah.
And he was the youngest fashion designer who's done so well and has showcased,
I mean, he showed in Paris and now this, and he's going from strength to strength.
So again, that was Kismet, that Hussain was the one picked, and I love his work.
Yeah.
And it was very me. I think that's why I also felt comfortable in the outfits. And this really wasn't planned so ahead of time. Ki main ye pehnungi, ye wala is tarah. It was like, I just said mujhe wo green wali sari pehni hai. And it also worked in now if you want to say, as like the green and white and the flag was, the two looks, they happened to be green and white. It wasn't planned, but it just happened to be. And I was like, things are just happening.
Stars were aligned.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है किस्मत कुछ aligned थी.
बस ऐसा
तो एक तो ये conversation थी कि okay, Pakistani representation हमें चाहिए, हमें अपनी brand बनानी है, बहुत हो गया. South Asian ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, मगर भी दूसरी conversation ये है कि fashion is such a strong part of the Cannes red carpet. Do you think in any way does it reinforce the artist's importance, or does it trivialize it? Does it elevate it? ऐसा क्या कभी-कभी लगता है कि अच्छा ये सिर्फ fashion style ही हो रहा है. As an artist, do you feel that fashion should be reflective in your personal brand? Are you proud of it? Yeah, would you rather not? What is your take?
I was from the school of thought that like this is a very serious film festival. Let's not take away the attention. आप फिल्में बना रही हैं, उसको honor करें. So let's just watch films and honor them. But दुनिया कुछ ऐसी बन गई है जहाँ पे सब कुछ दिखावे के लिए बन गया है. I mean, you can't run from it. So I think it's become, आप पुराने कैन की तस्वीरें देखें, they were interesting, but they weren't so opulently, but they weren't so like, इतना grand नहीं था, इतना fashion statement नहीं था outfits.
Fashion focus नहीं था शायद.
I mean, it's France, it's Europe. You can never you can never run away from the fashion.
I mean, they're the most stylish people in the world.
Yeah, so both of fashion though is a part of it. It's in France, for God's sake, So it's that element will always be there. But I was like, this is not an outfit to watch a film in. अगर ये मेरी film होती तो मैं इतना I would wear something much more comfortable to sit and watch a film in. Because that's all I'm thinking. I'm like, you're watching a film also. You're sitting in the cinema watching. It could get cold. Something could be poking. So it could be too tight. It's a good outfit to stand in when you wear such beautiful gowns and dresses and clothes. But can you watch a film for 2.5 hours? No. So I'm constantly thinking that also. So I don't know if I was going to the film, if I would dress like that, if because I'd have to read, the camera would be on me, I'd be sitting if it was my film. As a guest, you can sit at the back or in the corner, but I guess I've stopped fighting.
You're not fighting fashion anymore.
I'm picking my battles. I'm not getting is tarah nahi hona chahiye, us tarah hona chahiye, and why in the name of art and film we should. I'm like, okay, I submit to whatever
the will of the world,
and the will of social media and fashion and people and this industry. It's the industry. This is our work. This is what builds people's curiosity. I used to be like, it's not the Met Gala. Exactly. It's a film festival. Let's focus on the craft. But वो hand in hand, I guess, जाता है.
मुझे कोई हर्ज नहीं है, मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है. I mean, I'm also a fashion person.
कोई हर्ज नहीं है, but वो it has moved away from the film angle a little bit. I mean, only the people who go with the film and are really networking and meeting other directors, producers, really benefit from the film festival aspect of it. लेकिन बाकी दुनिया तो fashion ही देख रही है. बाकी दुनिया is not interested in festival films. They are interested in commercial films. So maybe it's catering to both sides of the coin.
Sure. I mean, it attracts people who may have not been interested otherwise.
अगर मैं सादे से कपड़े पहन के जाती अपने एक फिल्म के साथ, तो हाँ इतना शोर ना मचता. हाँ. खामोशी से हम जाके अपनी एक फिल्म रिलीज करते हैं. एक दो आर्टिकल्स आते थे, oh they made it to Cannes, and वो बस आके चला जाता. This became so I guess that to make some noise, to be seen and heard, you've got to be loud.
I mean, I always say this, there is a language to what you're wearing as well.
Yes.
वो भी तो एक ज़ुबान है, right? There is an artistic language to your libas as well.
Yes,
so absolutely. It's a loud language. When it's on a red carpet, सुनी जाती है वो आवाज़ भी. तो I'm on that. I'm on the fence. So says नहीं, fashion ज़रूरी है. Fashion ज़रूरी है. वो visual language है.
सही कह रही है. हाँ,
visual language है. It doesn't have to be, brushed aside.
Yeah, because you could say the Oscar was same about Oscars or any award shows for the films. Why are we getting so dressed up? So I guess.
Yeah. It's a visual language, absolutely. वो तो है. So did you manage to network there? Did you manage to meet any interesting people? What is the takeaway from Cannes?
No, I didn't network like that. I was part of conversations where I was like, this is what I was just making notes. I was just a silent observer being like, okay, तैयार होके जाना है इन जगहों पे. I just want to put, like get my diary out and just go as a journalist, which I'm not. So every moment had to be a dressed up moment. I was like, okay, we'll do the fashion part, but I just want to go and soak this in and see what can I do my homework. And come back with some homework and be like, guys, like abhi, there's so many grants मिलते हैं festivals पे, especially जब औरतें फिल्में बनाती हैं औरतों के बारे में. तो हम लोग या तो we're lazy or we're not getting the right something's amiss and we need to put our finger on the pulse. फिर हमें grants मिलेंगे. हम रोते ना कि पैसे नहीं, finances नहीं. grants बाहर से मिलती हैं किसी एजेंडा के बगैर. grants मिलती हैं. So we need to get working on that is what I came back with, is that come on, we need to collaborate. We need to either do it individually कुछ नहीं होता. I feel like the women, we should all get together. Like Tuba and Sarma did it at the Berlin Film Festival. Tuba produced that with her company Enso. We need to be doing more stuff like that. Producing.
And that also excites you, right?
What happened at Cannes was I'd never thought about production and direction, but I'm like, ab production ki ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, because नहीं होगा. I can't sit and wait for it to fall in my lap. We've got to make it happen. So I would like now to work on stories or start somewhere, get writers, get producers, or produce it myself, get writers and directors to create stories where we can get the grants and go pitch it to different panels, different people, and make not global cinema, make your Pakistani films, but just an international story or a global story. And global stories are about family dramas. We do family drama best. Some of the best films at festivals are, or if you take Parasite le le, the Korean Oscar-winning film. What was it? It was about family.
Yeah, totally.
And like the cup of life that you have to go through. Totally. Oh, we're so good at doing that. तो हमें बस अपनी कहानियों को किसी तरह थोड़ा सा international बनाना in
पैकेजिंग
terms of
बेहतर
like
करनी है,
packaging.
उसकी बेहतर करनी है.
And it doesn't always have to be a middle class household. It can be a more modern household. You know, even modern people and
Have
liberal
problem.
people
Yeah,
have
absolutely.
घरेलू